What is up, guys? Hope you are doing well and having a friggin' awesome day. Today we are going to be making these friggin' like 5 ingredient, absolutely wonderful, like Camembert style cheesy buns. These are absolutely friggin' lovely, and the macros on them are absolutely friggin' fabulous for your keto diet, and they taste absolutely friggin' amazing, which is even friggin' betterer. So if you want to know how to make these absolutely lovely bad boys, continue watching the video and then you'll be cheese bun making in no time. So see you in a bit, guys. Cheers. Cheese bunny buns. Gosh. Okay, guys, here we go. Here's our ingredients. We've got some baking powder, some eggs, some psyllium husk, and some linseed flour. And the star of the show are like soft sort of cheese. This is like a Camembert. You want one quite like a soft Camembert type of cheese for this recipe. Okay, guys, there you go. There's our ingredients. Let's get baking. Give it a like as well. Okay, guys, here's our blender. We're just going to add the cheese now. Yeah, there's a few bits in there. That's just when I ground up my own linseed flour, so from the seeds. So that's okay. It's all good. So we are just going to add in our cheese now. We've got 250 grams of this cheese. Oosh, there we go. Check it out. Absolutely lovely. And now we're going to crack in our eggs to here as well. 1, 2. Okay, there we go. Pop the lid on top. Wash. Simple as that. And give it a blend. And there we go. Okay, guys, so there you can see it's all blended up as we use like the Brie sort of type cheese, and that has that skin. We want to blend it all up together nicely so you get a nice smooth lovely liquid. Here's our lovely linseed flour. We're just going to add in about a half teaspoon of the baking powder, like so. And now we're going to add in some of the psyllium powder. That's about 10 grams. So just get that a little mix like this. And once you're just giving this a little stir, we are just going to add in our cheese and egg mixture. Absolutely wonderful. Everything is in the bowl now. So now it's time to take your whisk. I'd use an electric one. It's a lot easier to do it. And just whisk away. Start slowly. Okay, guys, so once you've got a nice consistency, make sure you give it a nice little scrape around the bowl to get all the other bits in together. You want it all smooth up together nicely. This is the texture we're after, kind of gooey, sticky, so that's exactly what we want. We're just preheating the oven now to 180 Celsius. While we wait for the oven to heat up, we've got our like cupcake tray, the silicone one. We're just going to spoon in the mixture evenly into here now. Apologies for the poor cameramanship because my tripod is broken, so I'm just holding this with my mobile phone. So it's kind of difficult. Phone in one hand and doing this with the other. Okay, so just take a scoop like that and push in like so. Okay, so there we go then, guys. We've got them all spooned in nicely. Just push them down a little bit. They don't have to be perfect on top. They're just going to rise a little bit as well in the oven. So now it's time to bake those bad boys. There we go. Lovely jubbly. These are cooking at 180 for 90 minutes. And then we will come and check. Time for the moment of truth. Gosh, oh yeah, check out those bad boys. And here we go, guys. Check out them. They've come out lovely. We're going to crack one of these bad boys open in a minute. Oh yeah. Bosh! Okay, guys, here we go. We have our lovely freaking buns all finished and made. Absolutely looking absolutely lovely. These are so freaking yummy. Make sure you freaking try these out. Anyway, I've got one cut up now in half with a nice dollop of butter or chunk of butter on top, and I'm just going to put this bad boy to the taste test now. So let's see how it goes. It's alright, freaking yummy. I love these. Okay, I'm just spitting it everywhere. I do apologise. Check that out. Hopefully the camera's focusing. You've got a lovely like doughy like bread type texture on there as well, and it just goes so friggin' well with a nice chunk of butter on top, guys. You really should try this out. Absolutely freaking amazing. Please tell me if you do. Let me know what you think of them in the comments. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry for the video, I'm spitting everywhere. Sorry for the video quality. Like I say, I record everything on my phone and my tripod is broken and it's basically a friggin' disaster, so you're lucky you get anything really. So anyway, tell me what you think in the comments. Hope you like them. The macros are going to be up here, so you can see all the information on them, and I hopefully will see you in the next video, next vlog, next food shop recipe, or whatever it is. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay cool, and enjoy your lovely cheese buns. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Stay cool. Now while we wait for the oven to heat up. Now while we wait for the oven. Now while we wait. Oh, I freaking love these. Oh, I freaking love these so much. Yeah. I'm still recording.